I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Elementor Form. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select Actions. Albato. Give here the webhook link. So visit Albato Dashboard. New. Click on plus icon and choose Sender App Webhook. Choose Event. Choose Webhook Account. Add a trigger. Click on Webhook Catcher and copy the webhook link. Wait for webhook. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Done. Here is advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Albato site. And choose your desired action to receive data. I am choosing MailChimp. Choose an action. Choose an account. Add a connection. Grant Albato access. Then do all the process. Choose a list. Add an action. Map the respective fields. Save. Then start the integrations. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to MailChimp site, and here you can see the data came successfully in MailChimp via Albato. You can also see the automation log in Albato. Thanks for watching.